Welcome to our video on how teenagers can earn money online. In this digital age, teens have numerous opportunities to make money from home. We'll explore smart and safe ways for teenagers to unlock online income. Freelancing for teens. Your gateway to earnings? Freelancing is a great way for teens to utilize their skills for pay. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork provide opportunities to create successful profiles and find gigs that match your talents and interests. For example, you can offer services like graphic design, content writing, or social media management. 2. Starting a YouTube channel, turning passion into profit. YouTube offers teens a chance to turn their passion into profit. Learn how to start a channel, create content and monetize through AdSense, sponsored content, and merchandise. For instance, popular YouTubers like Emma Chamberlain have monetized their channels through various means. 3. Online surveys and market research. Easy cash for teens. Participating in online surveys and market research can be a simple way to earn money. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys. You can also join research panels like Nielsen to provide feedback and earn rewards. 4. Selling your creations, art, crafts, and more. Monetize your hobbies and creative talents by selling handmade crafts and artwork on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. These platforms provide a global marketplace for your creation. 5. Investing in stocks. A teenager's guide to financial growth. Explore the world of stock investing as a teenager. Platforms like eTrade offer user-friendly interfaces for beginners. Start small and consider investing in companies you believe in. Remember to research and understand the risks. 6. Affiliate marketing. Teen-friendly strategies for success. Find out how affiliate marketing works and how teens can participate. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ShareEasily, or ClickBank, promote products or services through unique affiliate links and earn commissions on sales generated through your links. 7. The power of social media. Monetize your online presence. Leverage your social media presence for income. Consider brand partnerships on Instagram, sponsored posts on TikTok, or affiliate marketing on Twitter. Building a personal brand and engaging with your audience is key to success. Conclusion: empowering teens to secure their financial future. As we wrap up, remember that it's not just about making money online. It's about building financial skills for the future. Encourage responsible exploration of these opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Share your online income success stories or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.